What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Starting the day off with a nice little cruise in the S2K. She's got an exhaust rattle. See if I can do it. We're gonna head to the shop and we are putting new wheels on the car. They're gonna be very, very bright. They're actually a very sick set of wheels. I love these wheels. And I've had a set of these before, but not in this spec. So let's go rip to the shop and let's do some things. I said at the end of yesterday's video that we may or may not have found some wheels for the car. We got some new wheels for the car and I'm looking at them now and they're very bright. Check these things out. We went ahead and picked up a set of 18 by 10.5 plus 15 Volk TE37s in red. I think they're called burning red. A very, very, very bright red. And I think they're gonna look sick. You may be wondering why we're going from the Volk ZE40s to the Volk TE37s. Of course, the ZE40s look freaking amazing on this thing. The wheels are kind of beat up a little bit, I guess you would say. One is bent, and that same bent wheel, the whole edge of it, the whole lip of it is silver from rubbing. So what I wanna do is pull the ZE40s off. We have not had time to order in new tires for this thing. So we're gonna be putting the 215 35 18s onto the TE37s, and ironically enough, it's the same exact wheel spec as the ZE40s. Both TEs and the ZEs are both 18 by 10.5 plus 15 5-on-1 14.3s. Both are light, both probably weigh around the same. Not that it matters for wheel fitment, but we're going to be putting the TEs on the car, completely refurbishing somehow. I haven't figured out how yet, but refurbishing the ZE40s. And I'm not exactly sure what the ZE40s are going to go on. Either the Evo 10, try and fit them on the Evo 8, or they're going to go back on the S2K. Probably not on the S2K though, because both of these wheels are kind of wide for the car. I know it may sound like I'm just wasting time here, but that's the advantage of having tire machines, is we can do this all day long. It's not costing us any money. And at the end of the day, I think these TEs are going to look freaking insane on the S2K. So that is what we're up to today. New TEs for the go-kart. The amount of stretch is always gonna blow my mind on this setup. It is insane. I have never, ever, ever mounted a set of stretch tires before. This is the most amount of stretch that I've ever done, and they're not really that stretched at all. It's kind of like just a squared up fit. So I don't know how this is gonna go, but I'm going to figure it out. Well, I scratched my first wheel. Down inside, the tire tire iron got jammed, but this lip's already pretty messed up. So this is one of the ones that has to go in for a refinish. But I'm still disappointed that that happened. What wheel style do you like better? ZE40s or the TE37s? These are TE37SLs, which I don't know if that really changes much versus a regular TE37, but that is just what the sticker says. TE37SL. Let's see if we can get these things mounted without messing up the new wheels. Tire is mounted. I did not scratch the wheel whatsoever, so I'm proud of myself for that. But I just realized, how the hell are we gonna get these things aired up? I do not have a bead blaster here. I don't know if I can even find a bead blaster for sale in Spokane. Does Harbor Freight carry them? I don't really know. I'm gonna try with just regular air, just right through the valve stem, but I don't see how that's gonna work. Sus. Harbor Freight does not carry them, neither does anybody else in Spokane. I'm sure there's one out there, but I can't find one today. So what I'm gonna do is throw the entire car on jack stands, pull all the wheels off, dismount all the tires, throw the tires onto the TEs, toss those boys in the back of the Duramax, head out to a tire shop that has a tire bead blaster, which I'm pretty sure every tire shop in the world probably does, and have them help me slap these things on real quick. And then we come back here, balance them, clean them up, ceramic coat them, throw them on the car, see how they look. So let's just do that. Kind of sucks. I should have ordered one of those things a long time ago. And I don't know why I didn't, but I learned my lesson now. Don't wait around for stuff that you know you need. You're stopping on? See what you fuck Oh shit. So we got all 4 tires dismounted and then mounted back up on the TEs. And I finally put on the plastic head, this guy right here, just so we don't chance scratching the TEs at all, because I actually did scratch one with the metal head. So the last 2 I used this for mounting, but I could not get the tires off the old wheels with this head. It was just too thick, especially with those freaking rubber bands. But mounting with this, super nice. You don't have to worry about scratching. One of my buddies just hit me up and said he has a bead blaster. So we're gonna go try and grab that real quick, come back to the shop and get these bad boys mounted up and then put them back on the car. I just test fit one and they look sick. Ready to poop your pants? Have you ever pooped your pants before? You haven't? All right, we got a little bead blaster from my boys over at Jump Garage. So we're gonna fill this bad boy up. I don't know what Jared's gonna do, but Jared is gonna help. And hopefully this wheel doesn't fly into the FRS. I've never used one that has a lever like this. The ones I use is a button.
Yeah.
Hopefully it works.
Yeah.
And the gauge is broken too, sick.
I feel like, don't they normally have more power than that? Isn't it more like a burst?
Yeah, it's supposed to be.
That seems more like You can let it out slowly if you wanted to. Well, I guess let's try it. So what, one person has to pry it back?
Fucking got her. Took a little bit.
Hell yeah.
Dude, look at the stretch.
Oh, that's ridiculous. Yeah, that's too much. Dude, no wonder the wheel was bent.
Well, we got her mounted. Took a little bit to finagle, but we got her. So I'm setting these things at like 1,000 PSI and we're done.
I said bounce it on the ground, but you probably smacked the lip.
I'm gonna crack these by tomorrow. No, Bobby, fucking mint. Good girl. Y'all got girls that bug you all the time. Dip out.
That ain't it.
That ain't it. That's just for the birds. All right, let's ceramic coat these things. I'm waiting for it to leak and just pop off the bead. So we got everything mounted, balanced, ready to go. I scratched this one, sick, but nobody knows besides you guys. So I'm gonna ceramic coat the wheels and put them on the car and probably go drift. What we're gonna wanna do, I've only showed you guys 10,000 times. I'll explain it in 5 seconds. Wipe it down, coat it, wipe it off. Can you do it, Jared? If you can do it, anyone can do it, all right?
Exactly.
Damn, these are big baller. Scratched up. Look at that shine. And why would they put a red sticker on a red wheel? That's sus. I actually really do like ceramic coat on wheels. Dude, imagine these not coated. They'd be dicked by all the brake dust off these big Brembos on this 2K. Oh, those spoon racing brakes, bro. They gotta be.
This thing got drums in the rear?
Surprisingly not. Okay, wheels are done. A couple hours later. All right, guys, we got all the wheels finished up. I'm delusional right now. I must be high off ceramic coat. But we're gonna go out throw them on the car. Remember, you cannot get your ceramic coat wet for like 2 days. 2 days, 48 hours-ish. If you guys wanna buy some of this stuff, I'll link it down below. Discount code is, what is it, Jared?
It's just Devin Niemela.
No, it ain't. You ain't been
Devin Niemela 25?
You ain't been using my shit?
Devin Niemela 25?
Nah.
Devin Niemela 10?
Nah. Devin 25.
Oh, it's just Devin 25? Dude, there's so many discount codes. We got so many sponsors, you know. Hit us up if you want to sponsor the channel.
Big facts. All right, let's slap them on. These are gonna be banger, except for these stupid tires. Stance boys are gonna hate me. Are you ready for this fuego-ness? Oh my God, guys. Holy shit. Bruh, that looks better than expected.
I dig them.
I might just run them on here for life. I'm gonna camber it more.
This part where I bump it and it falls on the face.
That's so bright.
So poppy.
Damn! Thanks so high in the back. Dude, that's bright.
I like it.
Now, do you want to trade?
Yeah.
Too bad. Keep in mind, guys, this Saturday, the 17th, we are having a new launch. So these are 3 of the shirts that we're launching. We have 8 shirts total, 4 sweaters, and 2 air fresheners dropping. So this is one of the shirts, a gray variant of the same shirt, an absolute banger, Live with Passion on the back, and the Vossen logo on the front. These are 3 of the shirts that we're dropping. In tomorrow's video, I'll show you guys the full lineup of the whole drop. But yeah, this Saturday, the 17th, 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're never gonna be restocking any of these designs. So as soon as they are sold out, they're gone forever.
can't see when you're in my way. Those look really good. Those look really freaking good. I like them.
Sick.
Yeah. I saw him yesterday all dirtied up in your shop.
But you didn't see him on the car.
I didn't see him on the car. It looks good.
All right, dudes, that is a wrap for today. Drop a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think of the TEs on the go-kart. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Peace out, my friends. I'll see you guys tomorrow.